Hello, my name is Dr. Tanaka, part of the healthcare team that's taking care of you. Before I begin, may I confirm the name and date of birth of the child?
Hello, his name is Gabriel Tan. Date of birth is May 11th, 2019.
All right, and may I also confirm your relationship with Gabriel?
I'm his father.
All right, how can we help you today?
You see, he has been having fever for the past 2 days, and just this morning, I think he had a seizure.
Oh, I can see that you're very worried, Mr. Tan. Let me ask you a few questions about what happened to him so we can make the correct diagnosis and give him appropriate treatment, okay?
All right, doctor.
Okay, can you tell me more about the seizure you just mentioned?
Yeah, doctor. This morning, when he was playing with his toys, he suddenly started shaking.
Oh, that must have been very frightening. How long did the seizure last?
About 30 seconds.
Was his entire body shaking or just a part of his body?
His entire body was shaking.
Did you notice any uprolling of eyes during the seizure?
Sorry, I can't remember. I just panicked when Gabriel started shaking.
That's all right. Did he wet or soil himself during the episode?
No,
Did he bite his tongue during the seizure?
no, I don't think so.
Okay. Did he fall or injure his head during the seizure?
No.
Okay. After the seizure stopped, did you notice that he was perhaps a bit drowsy?
Oh yeah, he was a bit slow to respond for a while.
For how long?
For about 5 minutes or so, I think.
All right. And did he only seize once or multiple times?
Just once.
I see. Going back to before the seizure episode, did you notice anything unusual? Like perhaps he was staring into blank space?
No, he was just playing with his toys.
And before he started shaking, did his muscles stiffen up?
Oh yeah, he was quite stiff for a short while before he started shaking.
All right, I see. And you mentioned earlier that he was recently having a fever?
Yeah, doctor, he has been having a fever for the past 2 days or so.
Did you manage to measure his temperature?
Yeah, it was around 38.6 degrees Celsius. Besides, he has been vomiting the past few days as well.
I see. How many times has he vomited?
I'd say around 6 times over the past 3 days or so.
Any blood or dark green substances in the vomit?
Nope,
Any diarrhea?
nope,
Okay. Have you noticed that your child has been tugging his ears recently?
no,
Has your child been complaining of headaches or anything like that?
no, I don't think so.
Okay. Any tummy pain or any like foul smelling urine?
No,
Okay. Any rashes?
not really.
Okay. How has Gabriel's appetite been the past few days?
Quite poor, actually. He has managed to hold down some fluids since last night.
Oh, I see. How about his activity level?
It has been quite poor the past few days.
Did you try giving him any medications?
I tried giving him paracetamol yesterday, but I think he vomited it up.
Did Gabriel eat any raw or undercooked food recently?
No, I don't think so.
Any other family members who are sick or having fever?
Gabriel's older sister just recovered from a cold a week ago.
Oh, I see. Does Gabriel go to daycare?
Yeah, he does.
Any of his friends at daycare who are also sick?
Not that I know of.
All right. Does Gabriel have any medical conditions?
No,
Is he on any regular medications?
no.
All right. I'm going to ask more about Gabriel's birth history. What was his birth weight?
I think he was around 3,200 grams.
And at what week was he born?
37 weeks.
Was it a normal delivery or C-section?
Normal delivery.
See. Any issues after Gabriel was born? When was Gabriel and his mother discharged from the hospital?
I think the doctor said Gabriel's skin was a bit yellow and has to go under the blue light for a few days, but otherwise no issues.
All right. Any family members who also had seizures in the past or any like brain tumors?
No, doctor.
All right. Are Gabriel's vaccinations up to date?
Yes.
Okay. And how has Gabriel's growth been? I see that he's 2 years old now. Is he able to climb stairs already?
Yeah, he can climb stairs. He's an assistant.
All right. Is he able to use crayons and scribble?
Yeah, in fact, he can draw some shapes already.
Oh, that's amazing. Is Gabriel able to talk in phrases, like at least 2-word phrases?
Yeah,
Okay. All right. Is Gabriel able to get along and play with other kids in daycare?
from what the teachers have been telling me, yes.
That's great. All right. From what you've told me today, it seems like Gabriel is having what we call febrile seizures. It's actually quite common in children under 5, where their brains are a bit more sensitive to changes in body temperature and seize as a result. Since Gabriel is having trouble taking orally, we will admit him and run some blood tests just to make sure nothing else is wrong. Do you have any questions?
No, thank you, doctor.